Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So for this video, I had intended to clean the whole entire house. This was a Friday. I had just taken the boys to school and my husband was actually gone as well. He was coming Saturday. So I wanted to make sure that I had everything done so I can spend the weekend with my husband. But I woke up with a slight headache that turned into a massive migraine. So I suffer from migraines. I get one every single month without fail, but this one was just so different. So a few days before this video, I had gone to the doctor to go over my lab work and he asked if I was tired and I said no. He said all my stuff was pretty low, my iron, my potassium, my hemoglobin. So he put me on some iron pills and he did tell me that they were going to make me sick. They were going to upset my stomach, just a bunch of other stuff. So I just thought, okay, it's a combination of my migraine plus these iron pills that are making me just nauseated. It was crazy, y'all. I just did not feel good. Once I started in my son's room, I was like, I don't even want to do this. I want to go lay back down and just put a blanket over my head. But I went ahead and pushed through. I got his room, the bathroom, or the kids' bathroom, my bedroom, and then my bathroom done. And then I decided to finish the rest the following day, which I did have time to do because my husband did tell me that he was going to be in late Saturday. So I was able to get up in the morning and finish the rest of the house. But I also was able to come back after I dropped my son off with his dad. I was able to come back and finish this video. I did feel better, because after I was done with my bedroom and my bathroom, I laid down for a little bit and I felt better when I got back. So I went ahead and finished up. I did some laundry and a few other things and that was it. And then I called it a night and then I woke up the next morning and I finished everything else. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. All right, y'all. So my mom decided to bring some of my son's baby items. So she found these little shoes and the little sweater. So I just went ahead and put them in his drawer just, as a little reminder. And then she also brought him a blend jet because my son loves making smoothies and I really don't like him using my expensive Ninja. My husband did break my one Ninja, so she decided to bring him one of those and he has been loving it. For the stars, driving down this boulevard tonight. Yeah. Playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. All right, y'all, this room is done. It was super quick in here. Just had to change the sheets, vacuum. I had already dusted here a few days ago, so I don't have to do that. And look at this Chucky doll that my mom got my son for Christmas. He's into Child's Play. Like, I grew up watching Chucky. My son is into it, so it's pretty cool. It talks, but let me see if I can find the little button or something. I don't know where it is. Somewhere up. I don't know. Here we go. I think this is it.
Hi, I'm Chucky, and I wouldn't talk if I were you.
A true classic never goes out of style.
Okay. So, anyways.
You got your wish.
Oh.
You're mine now, doll. Now sit back and learn from the master.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play?
Okay, let's turn him off.
Get me out of this body once and for all.
Okay, so I couldn't find the off button, but he's off now. So yeah, just had to change the sheets, vacuum, no dusting, and oh, I forgot to take out the trash. So I will go ahead and grab the trash here and throw that out, and then we're gonna head into the bathroom.
You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet. and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have, we do not, all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not.
All right, y'all, so far it's going very smoothly. It only took me about 20 minutes in my son's room. It only took me about 10-15 minutes in here. I'm not doing very much. I'm not really too worried about in the bathroom because I'm doing a home makeover in here this weekend. So yeah, we're gonna have something completely different here. I'm excited. So we're gonna head into my bedroom next.
We are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have, we do not, all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have, we do not. I always knew we could do so many great things, so believe in me, I believe in you, and I just feel that this will be an upswing, so hear me out. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have, we do not, all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not, all the way back home.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now?
All right, y'all, I got this room and the bathroom cleaned. I actually wanted to mop both floors, but I have a massive headache. Well, a migraine. I suffer from really bad migraines that make me really sick, and I'm just not feeling it right now. So I think I'm just going to end this video here. I do have to go put some clothes in the dryer, and then I think that is going to be it. I really wanted to work out in the kitchen, but yeah, I'm not feeling that great. But at least I got this room done, that room, the kids' bathroom, and my son's bedroom. So I think I'm going to call it a day. But first, before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and put that stuff in the dryer, and I think that would be it.
I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light?
All right, y'all, so here I am taking my stuff out of the dryer so I can go ahead and put my son's sheets in there. And then I went and laid down because I just could not take it anymore. I laid down, I rubbed some Chinese tiger balm on my forehead and my temples, and just laid there until my son got home about 4. We ended up leaving about 4:30, and then I got home about 6:30-ish, and I felt so much better, you guys. That tiger balm, I swear that thing is amazing. I just cannot, every time I feel like a headache or something coming on, I rub that on my temples or my forehead, and I just feel better. Now, I don't know if that's just my mind or, you know, I don't know, but I think that this works. It works for me. My dad used to use it. I remember when I was little, I used to see it on his nightstand, and I remember specifically the tiger on the cap. So yeah. But when I got back, I felt better. So I went ahead and finished up the laundry, and that was it. I ended up doing everything else the following day because my husband was getting home late. So I didn't have to hurry. So I had time to finish up the kitchen and the living room and get everything done. But that is it for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one.
Tonight we could do this right. We'll find the remedy.